Hey, food lovers, welcome back to the channel where taste meets tradition. Today, we are diving into the heart of Enugu with a steaming hot recipe you absolutely love, Okpa di Oku. Yes, so that rich protein packed delicacy made from Bambara nut flour. The ingredients are used in the description link below. If you're new here, you're welcome. Do well to like this video, share, and subscribe for more soulful recipes. So, this moment, I'm trying to sieve this flour because I kept mine for a long time. So, and I'm not sure how the flour is doing. So, that's why I'm sieving mine. You can skip this part. Reduce or add the quantity. I dropped all the measurements I used in the description link below. Now you want to massage it gently. Hmm? I had to use my hands because at this point I was tired of using the spatula. It was not giving me what I want, so I just wore my gloves and I started doing what. So when you are done, you want to introduce your hot water. Minimize the lumps in this liquid. So, but eventually I still have to sieve mine because I was tired of turning and turning. So I got another bowl. Get another bowl and just let the sieve help you to do the work. Yeah, so I just transferred this over seamlessly. This doesn't take time. In the matter of 10 minutes, you're done mixing okpa. Okpa is very simple. It's just few humble ingredients. You are done. Yeah, you heard me. Once your batter is smooth and flowing, we'll start adding our other ingredients. Next is to add our other ingredients. But not traditionally we are supposed to pack this up in banana leaves, but right here I don't have banana leaves and I'll be using my plastic bags. Please, you can use your nylon bags, your moi bags. Yeah, free to use containers that are easy, just the way you make your moi. So this is just similar to it. So that's my habanero pepper and salt. I added 1 tablespoon of salt and 2 habanero peppers. Yeah, so just stir it. Yeah, and transfer this to my nylon bags. This was me tying my nylon bags. Just yeah, this is so easy to make. Yeah, it's so easy to make. Just keep tying it. Just similar to what you do when you're making momo. Yeah. But the liquid is going to be lighter than that of moi. Moi is a bit thicker, but this is very light because this is going to harden as you cook it. Yeah, it's going to get very hard. So if you want it to come out well, make sure you make your base to be very light. So we are done tying our we're going to transfer this gently into a pot. Already I put a pot on fire and the water is boiling. So transfer this and steam for 45 to 60 minutes. Yeah. So after 45 minutes my okpa is ready. So I'm just going to go ahead and pack it up. Yeah. Wow, it's looking so good already. Like salivating. I can't wait to have this. Our Okpa di Oku is ready. Now I want to prepare my pap. You can use custard to take yours. Okpa can go with water, custard, juice, can serve as a snack, can serve as a meal, breakfast, lunch. So for this, I was making this as breakfast. So okpa is rich in carbohydrates, protein, and fat. So it's like a very balanced meal. Okpa is a very balanced meal. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, comment as well. And here is our okpa. Oh my god. It looks delicious and